Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn problem set 4a. So we start our video. Dear student, for this year from page number 94, for more information to page number 108, means up to practice set 4.4 is reduced from your syllabus, and also problem set 4b on page number 111 to 112 is also reduced from your syllabus. So today we start problem set 4a. Now we start question number 1 of problem set 4a. Write the correct alternative for each of the following. First question is, rate of GST on essential commodities is dash. Essential commodity means जो ज़रूरी अशिया है अपने लिए, जो रोज़ की अशिया हैं, ब्रेड है, आटा है, हाँ, जो ज़रूरी अशिया है, अब उनके ऊपर जीएसटी क्या है? ए 5%, बी 12%, सी 0%, डी 18%. तो इट इज सी 0%. Alternative C is correct here, 0%. Question number 2. The tax levied by the central government for trading within state is dash. Option A, IGST. Option B, CGST. Option C, SGST. Option D, UTGST. So tax levied by central government is which? Option B, CGST. Third, GST system was introduced in our country from dash. Option A, 31st March 2017. Option B, 1st April 2017. Option C, 1st January 2017. Option D, 1st July 2017. Here the correct option is 1st July 2017. Question number 4. The rate of GST on stainless steel utensil is 18%. Then the rate of stage GST is dash. Option A is 18%. Option B is 9%. Option C is 36%. Option D is 0.9%. We know that SGST is half of GST. Here GST is 18%. So the state GST is half of 18. It is 9%. So correct option is option B, 9%. Question number 5. In the format of GST, there are dash alpha numerals. Option A 15, option B 10, option C 16, option D 9. So here the correct option is option A 15. Question number 6. When a registered dealer sells goods to another registered dealer under GST, then this trading is termed as dash. A BB, option B B2B, option C BC, and option D B2C. We know that the trading between GST and holder to GST and holder, it is B2B, business to business. So correct option is option B, B2B. Here we complete question number 1. Now we start question number 2. Question number 2 is, a dealer has given 10% discount on a show piece of Rs 25,000. GST of 28% was charged on the discounted price. Find the total amount shown in the tax invoice. What is the amount of CGST and SGST? What is the question? A dealer has given 10% डिस्काउंट. एक डीलर ने क्या किया, शो पीस पे 10% डिस्काउंट दिया. प्रिंटेड प्राइस शो पीस कितनी है, 25,000. रेट ऑफ जीएसटी कितना है, 28%. और जीएसटी किस पर चार्ज किया गया, डिस्काउंटेड अमाउंट पर चार्ज किया गया. कितना, 28%. तो उस डीलर ने कस्टमर को जो टैक्स इनवॉइस दिया होगा उसमें टोटल अमाउंट कितना लिखा होगा, सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी कितना होगा, वी फाइंड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड हियर टैक्सेबल वैल्यू, और यू कैन सी इट एज डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. How you find taxable value? You should subtract amount of discount from the printed price. You get discounted value or taxable value. After finding this, you find the CGST and SGST at a rate of 14%. How? Why? Because GST is 28%. Half of rate of GST is rate of CGST and rate of HGST. तो क्या पहले क्या फाइंड करेंगे हम, टैक्सेबल वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर प्रिंटेड प्राइस of show piece is equal to how much, Rs 25,000. Then write rate of discount, rate of discount is equal to how much, 10%. We find discount amount. Discount amount is equal to 10% of printed price is equal to 10 upon 100. Printed price is 2000. Printed price is 25,000. This 20 and this 20 are cancelled. 10 into 250, it is res 2500. Now we find taxable value. Taxable value is equal to printed price minus discount amount. What is the printed price? It is 25,000 minus 2,500 is equal to res 22,500. It is the taxable value of it is the taxable value or discounted price of the showpiece. Now to find the total price, we add the CGST amount and SGST amount in the taxable value. We get a total value of the showpiece which is shown in the tax invoice. So here rate of GST is equal to 28%. So rate of CGST is equal to 28 upon 2 is equal to 14%. Rate of SGST is same as rate of CGST, it is also 14%. Now we find amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is equal to 14% of taxable value. You can write it as 14% of discounted price is equal to 14 upon 100 into taxable value is 22,500 into 22,500. This 20 and this 20 are cancelled. 14 into 225 is equal to 14 5s are 70. We write 0 here, 7 carry. 14 2s are 28 plus 7, it is 35. We write 5 here, 3 carry. 14 2s are 28 plus 3, it is 31. 3,150. Amount of SGST is same as amount of CGST. We write direct here, amount of SGST is equal to res 3,150. You write this or take the screenshot. Then we solve next part of this question. Now we write a tax invoice. Taxable value is equal to res 22,500. Amount of CGST is equal to res 3,150. Amount of SGST is also res 3,150. Now write the total amount. Total amount is equal to, we add this 0 0, five plus 5 10, we write 0 here, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 1 8, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, we write 2 as it is, res 28,800. So we write the answer here. The total amount shown in the tax invoice is 28 is res 28,800. The amount of CGST and SGST is res 3,150. Question number 3. A ready-made garment shopkeeper gives 5% discount on the dress of res 1,000 and charges 5% GST on the remaining amount. Then what is the purchase price of the dress for the customer? क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक रेडीमेड गारमेंट का शॉपकीपर है, उसने क्या किया, 1,000 के ड्रेस पर 5% डिस्काउंट दिया. अब डिस्काउंट देने के बाद जो अमाउंट रिमेनिंग रह गया, रिमेनिंग है, उस पर 5% जीएसटी चार्ज किया. तो आपको पता लगाना है कि वो ड्रेस उस कस्टमर को कितने प्राइस में मिलेगा, या परचेस प्राइस ऑफ द ड्रेस फॉर द कस्टमर. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन इज सेम एज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Here also we first find taxable value. To find the taxable value, we subtract the discount amount from the printed price. Clear? And then we find GST on the taxable value, and we add GST in the taxable value, and we get the purchase price of the dress. We write here first printed price of dress is equal to how much? Res 1000. Rate of discount is equal to 5%. Now find amount of discount. Yeah, discount amount. Discount amount is equal to 5% of printed price. Five upon 100 into printed price is 1000. This 20 and this 20 cancel. 5 to 10 rest 50. Now we find taxable value is equal to printed price minus discount amount. Here the printed price is 1000 minus discount amount 50. It is res 950. Now we find GST. Rate of GST. Rate of GST is equal to how much? 5%. Amount of GST is equal to 5% of taxable value is equal to 5 upon 100 into taxable value is 950. This 0 and this 0 is cancelled. If you divide 95 by 10, we get 9.5. If you multiply 5 and 9.5, we get 5 5s are 25. We write 5 here to carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 2, it is 47. Res 47.5. It is the GST. Purchase price of dress is equal to taxable value plus GST. You can write here amount of GST also. Here the taxable value we calculate 950 plus 47.5. If we add this, we get 997.5. Here you write the answer. The purchase price for of the dress for the customer is Rs 997.50. Here we complete question number 3. Question number 4. A trader from Surat, Gujarat sold cotton cloths to a trader in Rajkot, Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton cloth is Rs 2.5 lakhs. What is the amount of GST at 5% paid by the trader in Rajkot? What is the question? एक ट्रेडर है सूरत का. सूरत कहां पर है? गुजरात में. उसने क्या सोल्ड किया? कॉटन क्लॉथ्स टू द ट्रेडर ऑफ राजकोट. It is also in Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton cloth is Rs 2.5 lakhs. What is the amount of GST? तो राजकोट के ट्रेडर ने कितना GST 5% के हिसाब से पेड किया होगा वो आपको मालूम करना है. इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. हियर डायरेक्ट टैक्सेबल वैल्यू इज गिवन टू यू. You find the 5% of taxable value and you get the GST. We write here the answer. The taxable value of cotton clothes, not cloth, clothes is equal to Rs 2,50,000. It is 2.5 lakh. Rate of GST. Rate of GST is equal to 5%. Now we find amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to 5% of taxable value. 5 upon 100 into 2,50,000. This 20 and this 20 are cancelled. 5 into 2,500 is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. To carry 5 to the 10 plus 2 12. It is rest 12,500. Now we write the answer here. The amount of GST paid by the trader in Rajkot is raise 12,500. Question number 5. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of Rs 85,000. She sold them for Rs 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Find the ITC, input tax credit of Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? What is the question? श्रीमती मल्होत्रा ने क्या किया? सोलर पैनल परचेज किया. कितने परचेज किया? 85,000 में परचेज किया. फिर क्या किया उन्होंने? वो सोलर पैनल सोल्ड किया. कितने में? 90,000. रेट ऑफ जीएसटी कितना है? 5% है. तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है यहां पर? आईटीसी श्रीमती मल्होत्रा को कितना मिलेगा? इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट, और श्रीमती मल्होत्रा का जीएसटी पेबल कितना होगा ये मालूम करना है. पिलर जीएसटी पेबल इज इक्वल टू आउटपुट टैक्स माइनस आईटीसी. First you have to find input tax, the GST paid at the time of purchase. It is called input tax. And when the GST is calculated in the end of year, the input tax take as the ITC. So amount of input tax and ITC same. Then you find output tax, GST collected at the time of sale. It is called output tax. And if we subtract ITC from output tax, we get GST payable. First we write GST paid by श्रीमती मल्होत्रा at the time of purchase. It is the input tax. We write input tax is equal to 5% of taxable value. Five upon 100 into taxable value is 85,000. 20 and this 2 are cancelled. 5 into 850. 5 into 850. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. We got 5 to carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. Rest 4,250. It is the input tax. Input tax is taken as ITC. ITC is equal to res 4,250. Now we find output tax. GST collected by Shrimati Malhotra at the time of sale. It is output tax. Output tax is equal to 5% of taxable value. 5 upon 100 into taxable value is 90,000. This 20 and this 2 will cancel. 5 into 900 is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 nines are 45. It is 4,500. Now we find GST payable. GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. Output tax is 4,500 minus ITC is input tax credit is 4,250. Now subtract 4,250 from 4,500. We get res 250. You write this or take a screenshot, then we write the answer of this question. Now we write the answer. The ITC of Shrimati Malhotra is res 4,250. The amount of GST payable by her is res 250. Here we complete question of 5.